Hello friends, myself Amit Belekar welcomes you to my channel Tips and Tricks by AMB. Today we are discussing about soft gelatin capsules. After going through this video, the learner will be able to describe soft gelatin capsules, describe parts of rotary soft gelatin capsule filling machine, describe processing of rotary soft gelatin capsule filling machine, and differentiate between hard and soft gelatin capsules. So first we are discussing about soft gelatin capsule. Soft gelatin capsules are used for filling liquids, semi-solids or powder medicaments in it. These are colored and transparent. These are available in different shapes like round, oval and oblong or tube-like shape. Shells of this type of capsule is soft and more flexible in nature than hard gelatin capsule, and it is a single unit. Shell is prepared from mixture of gelatin, color, plasticizer in water. Plasticizer makes the shell soft. Glycerin and sorbitol can be used as plasticizers. These are used to enclose liquids like oils, suspensions, food concentrates, flavors, etc. and semi-solids like ophthalmic ointments as single dose. Now we have to discuss about filling of capsules. Generally, filling of soft gelatin capsule is a mechanical process. Manufacturing of capsule shells and filling of capsules with medicament is done simultaneously. Rotary machine is used for filling soft gelatin capsules. Now we have to discuss about rotary soft gelatin capsule filling machine. Rotary machine, it is having following parts. It is having two hoppers. In one hopper, liquid gelatin mixture is kept, and in another hopper, liquid or semi-solid medicament which is to be filled in the capsule is kept. It is also having two rotating dies which move in opposite direction and arranged close to each other. Each rotary plate is having sufficient width, and on the periphery dies are embossed with sufficient depth to hold gelatin liquid. It also has short tubes to carry liquid gelatin from hopper to the rotary dies, and also it is having short tubes to carry liquid medicament from hopper to the pump. Pump is attached at the end of the tube carrying liquid medicament, and it can be adjusted that predetermined dose of medicament can be released after each stroke. Now we have to discuss about how processing of rotary soft gelatin capsule filling machine takes place. From gelatin hopper, hot liquid gelatin is transferred to the two rotary dies through two pipes in the form of gelatin ribbon. At the same time, liquid medicament is transferred to pump through the pipe. Each die forms a half of shell of soft gelatin capsule. Each half moves towards each other because of opposite movement of the die. A predetermined dose of medicament is introduced into the capsule with a stroke of pump. With movement of dies, both the halves of capsule shell fuse with one another. Sealing takes place because of heat of liquid and pressure of rotating dies. The capsules formed are washed thoroughly and dried. Capacity of rotary machine is ranging from 25,000 to 30,000 capsules per hour. Now we have to discuss about differences between hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. The hard gelatin capsule shell have two parts, body and cap. The soft gelatin capsule is a single unit. That is the first difference. The hard gelatin capsule have cylindrical shape only, while soft gelatin capsules are available in oval, round and oblong shapes. Third difference is hard gelatin capsules are used for filling solid medicaments only, like powders and granules, etc., while soft gelatin capsules are used for filling solids, liquids as well as semi-solid substances in it. The next difference is hard gelatin capsule shells are made up of gelatin, color, titanium oxide, while soft gelatin capsule shells are made up of gelatin, color and plasticizers like glycerin and sorbitol. Next difference is hard gelatin capsules are less flexible, while soft gelatin capsules are more flexible than hard gelatin capsule. Another difference is in hard gelatin capsules, filling of capsules and sealing of capsules takes place at two different stages, while in soft gelatin capsule, filling and sealing of capsule takes place at a single stroke. Last difference is in hard gelatin capsule, hand filling is possible, while in soft gelatin capsule preparation, hand filling is not possible, only mechanical filling is possible in soft gelatin capsule. So these are the differences between hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. Now it is time to summarize. In this video, we had discussed about soft gelatin capsules, rotary soft gelatin capsule filling machine, its processing and difference between hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you have any queries, you can contact me on my mail address which is given below. If you want to watch more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel Tips and Tricks by AMB. Thank you once again.